Money comes from the system, not from hard work. So welcome to our YouTube channel, guys. कौन बनेगा इंग्लिश का सिकंदर. So as you know, I upload every day new video. So today I want to talk about business, about money. So if you know money will come from hard work, you are totally wrong. Money comes from the system, not from hard work. If you know money will come from hard work, you are totally right. As you know, labor does very hard work. Labor does a lot hard work, but they don't become rich because they don't know system. Lack of knowledge. Hard work you can do, but hard work is not important everywhere. If you know system, you can become rich man. So guys, I want to say that it's important to know. It's important to know the system to become a rich. If you know only hard work, you can't become entire life rich man. System most important. So if you want become a businessman, you should ready to know hard work and system. Hard work, I don't avoid hard work. Hard work is most important. But you should have some ability. You have to know knowledge. You have to know system. Then you can become businessman easily. Otherwise, you have to face problem. If you are, if you have good education, education is totally different. If you talk about business, so guys, I want to say you, if you want become a businessman, if you want to start any business, you should know first of all, you should be aware to system what kind of you want to sell products. You have to know factory, wholesaler, which area will be sell easily. So lot of system you have to know first of all. If you started random, I have education a lot, I can do everything. So guys, education is totally different and business and work totally different. Yes, you have education, you have advantage. You have advantage. But I haven't education, I haven't advantage. So guys, but if you are live totally depend on education, I have education, I can become a businessman, I can do everything, I can earn a lot money easily. So you are totally, I would say that senseless. Every work is different. Suppose that you educated, but cloth business some difference. Vase business some difference. If you talk about cloth means lot of product there. ladies, for especially ladies, for women, for jeans, for cloth. So first of all, you have to aware what kind of you want to do. So you should go first of all inside soap. You should take some knowledge first of all for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Then you should start business. Suppose that uh, you want to you are educated person. You want to swim. If you go for swim and you will jump inside river, you haven't any knowledge for swim, so 100% you will be sink. Okay, so guard is most important. So without guard, you should not go inside river, inside sea. If you know for swim, then you can go. But you have a good education. Inside river does not work your education. So same I want to say you, business is totally different. If you have education, you want become businessman, you should go first of all, you should take basic knowledge about products, about customer, about area, what kind of thing will be sell here, what kind of thing will sell easily. So lot of things you should aware first of all. You should know, then you should start. So guys, lot of people, lot of educated person started business random. Lot of people come in the my shop. I talk them. You have knowledge, anything? People, no sir, I want to start. So I give advice, good advice. Whenever come inside my shop, anyone, I give good advice. Okay. So guys, if you want to become a businessman, you can become, but if you know system about business, then you can start. Uh, Before a start, you should go related to work there. You should take knowledge little bit. If you would have basically knowledge, then you should start. Okay. So as you know, if you want to talk English, you should have basically grammar. If you know basically grammar, then you can start to speak. So without basic knowledge, without basic system, you don't know basic system, you did a start, you have to face loss. That's why I want to aware you. Okay. So guys, if you want to some advice about business, you can comment me. You can ask me. I will give valuable advice. Don't worry. I know you are educated person. You are right now jobless. So I will give you good advice, sir. Thank you so much. Uh, don't forget me. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share and subscription too. Thank you so much.